Cody, what are you doing? What are you doing under there? What are you doing? What are you doing? How'd you get in there? Can you get out? Come on. Are you stuck? What are you doing, Code? Cody. Hey, are you stuck? Are you stuck? Hey, Code. Cody. What are you doing in there? Okay. I'll come help you.